Have you ever wondered why some fish bite on a wriggling worm, while others aggressively chase a colorful, artificial plug? It is fascinating how different underwater strategies can entice our finned friends. Well, the fundamental difference is that bait appeals primarily to a fish's natural senses of smell and taste, mimicking real food, whereas lures are designed to provoke a fish's predatory instincts through sight and vibration, simulating active prey. Understanding this distinction is key to a successful fishing trip. Bait, whether it is a live minnow, a juicy nightcrawler, or a specially prepared dough ball, works because it offers a natural scent, taste, and texture that fish inherently recognize as food. These natural cues trigger a fish's innate feeding response. Fish like catfish, carp, and many bottom feeders often relying heavily on their sense of smell to locate their next meal, making bait highly effective. The slower presentation of bait also allows hesitant or less active fish more time to investigate and decide to eat. Lures, on the other hand, are all about deception and triggering a predatory strike. They relying on visual appeal such as bright colors, realistic patterns, or flashing metallic surfaces to catch a fish's. Their design also creates vibrations and movements in the water, from the subtle wiggle of a soft plastic to the aggressive dive and wobble of a crankbait. These movements mimic injured or fleeing prey, provoking an aggressive attack from predatory species like bass, pike, and trout, even when they are not actively feeding. The success of a lure often depends on how well it imitates the natural behavior and appearance of a specific forage fish in the area. To decide between bait and lures, consider the type of fish you are targeting and the conditions you are fishing in. For species known to be scavengers or less aggressive feeders, natural bait is often a superior choice. If you are after aggressive predators, especially when they are actively hunting, lures can be incredibly effective. Murky water might favor scented bait, while clear water could highlight the visual appeal of a lifelike lure. One valuable insider tip for lures is the concept of match the hatch, which means selecting a lure that closely resembles the size, shape, and color of the natural prey fish are currently feeding on in that specific body of water. For bait, techniques like chumming, where small amounts of bait are scattered to attract fish to your area, can significantly increase your chances of a bite. Some anglers even combine the best of both worlds by adding a scent attractant to their lures, creating a hybrid approach. Ultimately, the choice between bait and lures is about understanding the natural behaviors and feeding preferences of the fish you hope to catch. By considering whether fish are seeking a natural meal or responding to a predatory impulse, you can make informed decisions that lead to more exciting catches and a deeper connection to the aquatic world. Experimentation and observation are your best tools for unlocking the secrets beneath the surface.